Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Ellie. I'm an esthetician and a professional makeup artist. And today I'm gonna show you how to blend eyeshadow perfectly. I'm gonna give you some tips to keep your eyeshadows on your eyes all day long and prevent creasing and patchy colors. So the first step, it is the most important, and it is to prime your eyelids. I use the Louise base for this. This is amazing because it is very opaque, so you don't see your little veins on your eyes. This will help your eyeshadows to stick to your eyes, so the color will be more vibrant and more pigmented. Priming your eyes will also help the eyeshadow to not crease over here, and if you have oily skin or it is hot outside, it won't just have a huge buildup of eyeshadow. So this is amazing. And you really don't need much of this stuff, just a little dot like this. And this is for both of my eyes, because if you put too much primer, it can do the opposite thing that you want and it can crease your eyeshadows. So the first step to any eye look is to add a transition shade first, so that the eyeshadow that you will put after will blend seamlessly with no harsh lines. And the color that you want is between those shades over here. You can also use your bronzer for this. For today, I'm going to use this eyeshadow Commando on the Ultimate Basic palette from Urban Decay. When I add my transition shade, I really blend this almost all over into my eyebrow. And because I don't have to be precise with this color, I'm just using a fluffy blending brush. So now you want to take the first shade that you want for your eyes, and I use a smaller blending brush for this. So for today, I'm going to use this color Fate. And what I want to do first is to place the product where I want the most pigment, and then I'm going to blend it out just a little bit. And with this color, I'm placing it almost at the same place as the transition shade, but just a bit lower. So placing your color like this will really help your eye to grab the product. Then to blend this out, take a fluffier brush, still for Morphe, and I have no product on this one. And I will start to blend the edges. I do little circles with my brush, and then I do windshield wiper motions. Also, the way you hold your brush will really help you. The way you want to grab your brush with your hands, it's really over here. If you are too close, it will not blend really well. When this is pretty much blended, I add just a little bit more of the same color Fate and go over the edge. The key is really to grab a little product at a time. You don't want to take too much. And also you need patience because it can be long. Sometimes my arms hurt after this, but it's all worth it. And with your eyeshadow, you don't want to go too far up over here. You want to stop around where your eyebrow stops, so over here. If I want my eye look to be a bit darker, I do the exact same steps but with a darker color. So I'm going to take this one over here. So I place the product where I want it, and then I blend. And this color goes just a bit lower than the other one. When I darken my crease like this with the darker color, I like to take the smaller blending brush to blend, so it is more precise. When I've placed my darker color and blend it out a little bit, I like to go back with my fluffier brush and the lightest shade, and then I blend again. Just so that there is no harsh lines. Now you want to take your lid color that you want on your eyes, and I always place this color with my fingers because I think that it picks up more product. You can also use a brush for this step, but I really think that your fingers, it is the best and it is quicker. So I put the lightest shade all over my lid, and I blend where the lightest shade and the darkest connects. For my lower lash line, I use a brush like this one, and I take the same shade that I've put on my crease. And I always really want to connect the lower lash line and the upper lash line over here. I'm gonna use this shade over here that is like a dark plum because I'm gonna do a wing later, so it will all connect. And I place this color really close to my lashes. So now you don't want your eye look to stay like this, so I take this blending brush again with the lightest shade and I go over it. So I always like to highlight my inner corner to make my eyes appear bigger, and also under my brow. When my highlight is on my eyes, I like to go with my transition shade and just go over the edges so there is no harsh line and that my highlight don't go too far down. So to finish this look, I'm gonna put mascara, black liner in my waterline and do a wing. I would like to know if you're a beginner at makeup or if you've been doing art on your face for years now. Tell me in the comments below what is your makeup journey. My next video will be how to make colorful eyeshadows wearable for an everyday look, so if you don't want to miss that, please hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. While waiting for this one, you can watch this video over here about how to apply foundation. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you next Friday. Bye. And also you need patience. While you're waiting for this,